Are you filming?
Uh-huh.
Alright, well look who it is. It's Super Baby!
Hi, honey. You having fun?
Alright, honey, I think that's enough.
Hi, Sweetums.
Enough Super Baby for one day.
Hi, Sweetums. You like the camera? You like the camera? Can you smile? Can you give Mama a smile? Do it again, honey.
No, I think she's all done. I don't think she liked it that time.
Wake up, time to shop.
Here we go. 1, 2.
Have any trouble using this card?
There we go. You want to say hi to Mama?
Hi, Sweetums.
Mm-hmm.
She smiles when you kiss her.
Find me no addresses.
You like kisses? Say hi, camera. Say hello.
Mean to you? They're not looking at you, they're looking at me.
You're so pretty. She always gets, when the camera comes out, she just stares at it.
Stores are never nice.
You just stare at the camera, honey.
I'm going to put her down, okay, honey?
Okay.
Good work, Super Baby.
Hi, baby. Honey, will you get me that round toy that's on our car seat? We're gonna bring out Mr. Woosit, honey. You wanna see Mr. Woosit? You like Mr. Woosit? She's so excited by this thing.
You need to get ready to go to work, honey.
Okay.
Okay, honey. You want to turn that? Hey, honey. Change.
Oh. Oh, Mr. Woosit! Where did he go, honey? There he is! She loves this toy. You love this toy, Emma. Woo! Woo! Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Pretty woman, walking down the street, pretty woman. Whoop whoop, whoop whoop.
Yeah? What's up? Yeah. What's going on?
That's gross.
Oh.
You know I'm still filming, right?
Yeah. So when you react like that, it's like, yeah, what's going on? What,
Here, pumpkin.
Oh, God.
You stink?
No, I smell fine. Really, actually better than normal.
Liar.
It's amazing.
Mr. Woosit! Pretty woman, kinda like to meet pretty woman. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Mushy. Where did it go, honey? Where did it go? Where'd it go? Here he is! Whee! Where'd it go? There he is! Whee!
ugliest fucking thing I've ever seen.
What?
Dress with buttons all the way down it.
Oh. Where did it go, honey? There he is. Woo! Pretty woman. I see them. I see them. Hi, baby. Mercy. Kiss the toes. You want to touch the camera? Want to touch it? Yeah, good girl. Okay, can I have the cord? Oh. Give it a cord.
It's hers now.
Give it a cord. Can I have the cord? Can I have the cord? Want to touch some more? She's bouncing herself and her face is going.
Is one Tyler okay?
I might have to redo it.
Here, can you put that away and please do it?